from Victory Park, this is News 8 at 5.
And good evening, everybody. We start with breaking news out of Grand Prairie this afternoon. Crews there have been fighting a 3-alarm fire at an apartment complex called the Claytons Mark Apartments. This actually looks a lot better than it did just about 15 minutes ago when we first brought it to you during the KD broadcast. This going on Southwest 23rd Street there in Grand Prairie, which is shut down right now. The flames started in the attic this afternoon, we are told. You can see that they're still putting out a lot of hot spots out there, though. As far as we understand, no one was trapped inside that building. We have no reports of any injuries at this point. Gary Olty is in HD Chopper 8, though, with more information now. Gary, what can you tell us?
Yeah, this has been a stubborn fire for firefighters. When we first got here about 20 minutes ago, the fire going through the roof was probably a 10 by 15 patch, 10 by 15 foot patch, but the wind really hampered efforts here, and as you can see, it didn't take long for that fire to rip through that whole roof. The other difficulty they had was wind, smoke and power lines. There was a lot of smoke generated from this fire, and they can't just raise these ladder trucks willy-nilly up without the smoke. With the smoke, they have to be very, very careful about where they put these things so as not to hit power lines. We have seen much of the roof collapse and fall down to the sides here. Firefighters have been asked to pulled out of the fire due to the danger of that, and I'll zoom in here and show you. You can see that there's very little left of that roof here, but again, when we got here, just a small section of that roof was on fire. As you can see now, most of this building is a total loss. Jason?
All right, Gary, thank you. Again, this going on there in Grand Prairie along 23rd Street. And again, no injuries reported at this point, but certainly there are going to be some people displaced because that apartment building has suffered quite a bit of damage. We'll keep an eye on that and bring you the latest as we get it.